Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're having a problem with TikTok notifications not showing up or displaying properly. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your TikTok profile. And if you're unsure how to get to this page, just select the profile button at the bottom right. Select the hamburger icon at the top right, left click on that, and select Settings and Privacy. Underneath Content and Display, select the Notifications button, and then it should say In-App Notifications. Go ahead and select that. Make sure that they are turned on respectively for whatever settings you're having an issue with. So if you're not getting notifications regarding comments or likes, for example, make sure they are toggled to the on position. And then you can also go underneath Push Notification Schedule. Make sure that they are also turned on if you want to receive like browser notifications or little dings on your phone. You can go ahead and actually set up a schedule for that. And then just scroll down through interactions, make sure everything is turned on, and that's pretty much all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.